Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to turn your ordinary pump sprayer into a foam cannon. So if you want to know, stay tuned. Look at that foam. I'll be using a Roundup 2-gallon pump sprayer. So this is just a before, no modification. As you can see, there's a lot of soap, but not a foam cannon kind of soap, but there's still a lot of soap. To turn a garden sprayer into a foam cannon, you screw this part out, and on this horse, an inch from the top, you're gonna make a little hole right here. Get yourself a sharp knife, screwdriver, anything with a nice point to make yourself a hole. An inch from the top. So it's about an inch there, and that's it. That simple hack turns your ordinary garden pump sprayer into a foam cannon. This is the after of making a modification. That little car hack, foam cannon hack. Look at the foam. Look at the thick, creamy foam. Look at that. Look at that foam. That's how to turn your ordinary garden pump sprayer into a foam cannon. Look at that foam. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing. It's free. I want to say thank you for watching and take care. Bye bye.